How to hide followers on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how you can hide followers on Instagram. So first of all, let me open Instagram app on my mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, simply navigate over to your profile by tapping this option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, let me show you an example. I simply have another device with another account logged in right over here. So if I want to view followers, simply tap on the option followers, and then you will be able to see the list of all of the different followers I have. So if you want to hide this, what you'll have to do is simply go to these three dots on the top right corner of your screen. After that, go to settings. Now go to privacy and then simply tap on the option private account. Now simply tap on the option switch to private. Now once you've done that, your account will be private, and now those people who have not followed you on Instagram won't be able to see your profile. So let me show you an example. I simply have the same device again, and now if I go to my followers, there you will see the option no users found. So as you can see, I've successfully hidden my followers from people who have not yet followed me. So that is basically how you hide followers on your Instagram. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.